Hello, and I am at Kingsthorpe on the West Coast Mainline. There goes the London Northwestern Railway pairing of Class 350s, working a service from London Euston. So we are just north of Northampton. So today we'll be seeing services by London Northwestern Railway. We should be seeing some freight, and I think Royal Mail will also be making an appearance in this video. So let's spot some trains. Okay, right there is a London Northwestern Railway pairing of Class 350s working service to London Euston. I'm going to go a bit closer, but I'm still going to film for here for now. Okay, so right there is the London Northwestern Railway service from London Euston to Birmingham New Street. And behind me is the London Northwestern Railway service from Birmingham New Street to London Euston. 350 118 leading. 350 something. 350 266 trailing. 350 259 on that. And the last London Northwestern Railway service in the previous clip was from Birmingham New Street to Northampton. And also, we probably won't be seeing any Royal Mail this video because they just cancelled their train, which is absolutely great. Okay, right there is a Freightliner Class 66 working service from Trafford Park FLT to Felixstowe North FLT. 66 570. Let me try and get you an end shot. Let me just run down here. Okay, right there is a Class 66 from Barton under Needwood to Ilford, I think. 66047. Yeah, I'm not sure about this one, but I think it's from Barton under Needwood to Ilford. Let me try and get you a rear shot. There is the London Northwestern Railway, lot of Class 350s, working service to London Euston. 350 265 leading. 350 404 on the rear. Let me try and get an end shot. I don't know where that's from, because I wasn't actually expecting it, so that's quite unexpected. Okay, right there is a DB Cargo UK service from DB Cargo Fan A and B sidings to Crew TMD. 67010 and 92019, 92036 and 92015. That's working at Convoy. Wow, what a spot. Oh my. Let me try and get an end shot of that. Wow. Oh, it's ready. Cool. Okay, I'm back and it's a brand new day. And I bring good news because today we might be seeing the Flying Banana. I'm not sure, but we might. So yeah, stay tuned. But yeah, let's spot some trains again. Okay, down there is the London Northwestern Railway service from Northampton to Birmingham New Street, about to pass by. Being worked by a lot of Class 350s. (350-237) is leading, and 350-108 is trailing. And let me try and get you an end shot. And next up might be that flying banana if it comes. Okay, right, there's the London Northwestern Railway service from Birmingham New Street to Northampton, about to pass by. 350-235 is leading, and 350-240 is trailing. And 350-235 sporting the I can't even remember what the name of that livery is, but you know what I mean, the text livery thing. I don't even know what it's called. And also I can confirm that we're not going to be seeing the flying banana, because it turns out it came an hour ago. I was dumb enough to decide to come without checking when it actually arrived. Not when it was scheduled to arrive, so yeah, we're not going to be seeing it. That didn't work. So yeah, that's not good at all. There is the London Northwestern Railway service from Birmingham New Street to London Euston, about to pass by. 350-405 leading, and 350-231 trailing. And right there is the London Northwestern Railway service from London Euston to Birmingham New Street. Being worked by a lot of Class 350s. (350-113) is leading, and 350-368 is trailing. And that will be the final train of the video. Let me try and get an end shot. So if you did enjoy, please do like, subscribe to the channel if you wish. It would be very much appreciated. Leave a comment down below as well if you want, and I'll try and respond to it. And join my Discord server if you want to talk to me and my fans. So anyway, goodbye from Kingsthorpe.